At the end of training presentation assignment, we are glad to represent Group 15 to share our work experience. Firstly, I would like to introduce my group mates. They are Fu Fengpeng, Juan Hongwang, Jia Chengyuan, Jia Chenzhao, Si Qixiong, Yun Hewang, Yi Bao, and me, Jing Qiyu. During the cooperation, we have held 6 times meeting. At the first meeting, we have discussed about the presentation's topic and plan to split us up into 4 groups to analyze the case studies. It seems that we don't have any implication on the communication. But during the second meeting, when we shared the analysis of case studies, we began to have different opinions. This was mainly due to the different number of cases that everyone willing to choose, which led to unclear tasks for some team members. The process of completing the tasks was not smooth, but with a great teamwork atmosphere, we finally complete all the tasks before the third meeting. In the third meeting, we started brainstorming, trying to adopt all feasible suggestions and determine the overall framework and straightened out the logic. In the fourth meeting, we found that we have different understanding of the overall framework, which led to the inconsistent way of answering questions. So we recite the framework and ensure that everyone had a consistent understanding of the overall framework. Now, I will hand over to my group mate Yi Bao to introduce the next 2 group meetings and what we will gain from this cooperation.
Thanks, Jinqi. In the 5th meeting, we started to read the manuscript with the purpose of completing our part within a specified time. For the sake of fairness, everyone who participated in presentation was assigned the same length of time because everyone's language level is uneven. So at the beginning, everyone's use time is not the same. Someone's manuscript is too long or the speed is too low. In the process of practicing together, some members of the group constantly revise and refine their manuscripts to ensure that they can read them smoothly within the prescribed time, while some members with weak spoken English practice and read them repeatedly to ensure fluency and accuracy. At the last meeting, we are going to make a formal recording. However, things goes not well, although we are very familiar with our parts, but due to the tension, some team members forget words and frequently get stuck. After the 3 hours, we were still not satisfied with the recording outcomes. Luckily, team members are not impetuous because after many formal meetings and personal communication, we have become good friends. Thus, we encouraged and comforted each other, and then, after an hour of our hard work, we finally finished the best video. Finally, through the experience of this presentation, we all realized that it's important for us to have regular meetings to check and exchange results. Our progress, theme framework, and even disputes has been resolved through frequent meeting feedback. Effective communication can be a good way to solve all problems. At the same time, results of different team members over a period of time reflect these respective ability levels, which can make team members better understand each other and make a better reasonable allocation of tasks for them according to their areas of expertise, and make more targeted suggestions. This approach fits well with a core of HRM, putting the right people in the right place. Here is Group 15.